Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in Oxford white with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This is a 4x4. It has a 5-liter V8 engine, and it also has a trailer tow package, which includes a Pro trailer backup. As well, this has a trailer hitch and a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted and has manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and you also have grab handles to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control volume, and sync voice activated system. When you start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages as well as a menu that appears. And we can toggle through that menu, and there it is: display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul and sport, and when you press on it, you'll see tow haul to the right of the odometer reading, and then S for sport, and off again. Up above, there's a little cubby to put things, traction control, hazard lights, and you're seeing the time, temperature, and as well the media choices there. There's AM, FM, as well as satellite radio, and you also have CD and Bluetooth. Below is your volume and tuner. There's your CD player, and you have your climate control. There's your front defrost, AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, your Pro trailer backup, and you also have a little cubby. Down below, USB 12 volt, and there's a little bin to put things in. And then in the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you can open this up, more storage inside, and then flip it up for an extra seat, and you can unclip it underneath. More storage and a couple of cup holders you can flip right out. Off to the side you have a 12 volt and a locking glove compartment. Up above, a manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder, and you also have a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle. You have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside you've got a nice roomy box with 6.5 feet, tie downs in all 4 corners, and it's lined. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And you have that nice all-weather mat that goes from one side to the other. Slim pockets on the back of the front seats. And in the center console, you have a 12 volt and a couple of cup holders. There's grab handles in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting. And in the back, a big window. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.